Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas, friends. Bring the magic of Christmas to your table with this beautiful centerpiece, candle, pinecone, and a touch of greenery, creating a warm, festive glow, simple, elegant, and perfect for family dinner. Add a spark to your Christmas table with this centerpiece. Glass, ornament, fairy lights, and silver touch make it shine. A festive look that feels modern yet timeless. This rustic charm centerpiece is full of natural beauty. Wood, sliced pink branches, and red berries creative a cozy holidays vibe. Perfect for farmhouse for traditional decor. Something less is more. This Christmas centerpiece shows with candles, fresh greenery, and gold accent, simple, stylish, and effortless festive. Playful and fun. Make your holiday table fun with this cheerful Christmas centerpiece. Mini Santa, candy canes, and colorful ornaments bring joy. A centerpiece kid and guest will love. Turn your table into a Christmas wonderland with this glowing centerpiece, a mix of candles, ornaments, and pinecone, simple and magical. This Christmas bring the holiday spirit right to your dining table. Rustic wood and greenery make Christmas feel warm and natural. Golden touch and fairy lights for a glamorous Christmas dinner. Great magic with just candle, berries, and a little spark. Small details, big impact. Your Christmas table never looked better. Handmade centerpiece always bring the coziest Christmas feelings. Classical red and green centerpiece because traditional never fade. Add this no cute pincones for a winter wonderland effects. This Christmas, let your centerpiece be the star of the table. Start with fresh pink branches, add glowing candles, and finish with a touch of red berries. The result, a warm and inviting holiday look. For a modern touch, try a glass bowl filled with